Finally, it works. Finally. Oh my god, guys. I'm very sorry. I honestly don't know what's happened. Yeah, welcome everybody. I don't know. I mean, I usually have that cipher and I think it got confused. So the stream for the daily cipher went into the daily combo in the opposite. Huh. Technical issues. And not only today. Today we have a very bad day with the markets. Crypto is crashing so hard, so hard. I hope you are doing well with your investment. To be honest, I don't hold so much crypto right now because exactly of this kind of super crazy situation. Uh, but yeah, it's definitely very difficult market, very difficult one. So anyway, at least we got this sorted. Just give me a few seconds and we're gonna start with the cards. Yeah, like it's honestly one of the worst crashes we had in the last 3 years, the worst. And it's not just crypto, it's like it's everything. Stock markets, Japan, Korea, Europe, US, indices, everything. And there is three main reasons. I don't know if you know the reasons. Number one, we have uh, the Japanese central bank raising interest rates and creating a lot of havoc into the markets. We have also the potential war escalation between Iran and Israel. And also we have a lot of selling pressures from governments. Like the US government has threatened to basically, not they didn't threaten, but they is trying to sell a lot of crypto for cash reserves. So good news is that at least me, I did not invest too much now because I have been predicting that it's a very difficult period right now to invest. So I'm mostly utilizing like some airdrops like these ones. Like so, basically, I play these games. It's not a time to invest for me personally, not financial advice. I think we will have some good opportunities in the near future. In the near future, maybe by the end of the year or so. So I think the best thing to do now is be patient. Now, if you're already into the market, should you sell it, should you not? It's very, I mean, nobody should tell you what to do with that, yeah? But because now it's already dropped by 30+%. So anyway, like this is something that all of us have to kind of consider that it's every person has different risk tolerance. Every single person has risk tolerance. And what you have to do with your money is up to you, but don't overinvest. Don't put more into crypto. Crypto is very dangerous. It's very volatile. So never put more than what you can afford to lose. Always remember that. That's why I think that these kind of top 20 games are so great, is because they give us the chance to get exposed into crypto without putting monetary investment. Yes, we do put time investment. Time investment is also important, but is much different than actually putting real money into it. And yeah, I think this is one of the big revolutions, the top 20 games that can change how the industry is working. And of course, these kind of things, take time. So again, ups and downs will happen all the time. We should expect them. But don't get too stressed about all of that. All right? Easy. If you are already in, It's up to you. If you are not already in, I will personally, again, I will still wait because we don't know what's going to happen with all this crazy news and information. So yeah, this is like my market outlook. Actually, yesterday I showed some chart for Bitcoin, and I did mention that I think in the near future we're gonna test 49k, 48k I said. And what happened today? We actually touched 48k, and okay, we went back below, so we kind of recovered, but still we're going back down again. These things happen. This is how the market works. It's volatile. Okay, let me just, I want, before we start with that, I want also to share with you quickly a screen from what I shared with you yesterday. I want to show you the main zones for you to consider. Okay. Let me see how I can share the screen. Window capture. Can't see the window. There is so many bugs going on today, honestly. Like it feels like the whole system is crashing. The whole system is crashing. Okay, guys, because I can't share the screen, let's go with the cards, yeah? Okay, I think you waited enough with that. Let's start with the cards. So today we have, go to the app, we go to specials, and then, my God, and the app is frozen. Is the app frozen for you too? So card number one, pre-market launch, 23 million. Gonna regret this, but all right. Number two, Tone and Hamster Combat equal success, 13 million. Woo! All my money is gone. And the last one, top 10 CMC pairs. So here is the three combos for today, guys. Again, I apologize for the technical issues. It seemed that nothing was working today. The markets are not working. The updates are not working. It's a virus. Today I will not even ask you to like and subscribe because my content was not good today. was a bad deal today. Yeah? I spent like 50 million and I got 5. Hmm. I didn't like that. Ah, so creativity is asking how much I'm earning from YouTube. With all honesty, I did not even enable monetization yet. No, there's no secret. I honestly don't. I made €0 from YouTube because I did not enable advertising. I will do it at some point. To be honest, I don't think there is enough viewers yet for me to worth to enable it. When I will start having more content and much more views, then I will do it. But yeah, and also I understand that maybe you don't like to have so many ads so far. I think YouTube will still show ads to you, but I get nothing from its ads yet. And actually, even on the website, if you check my content on the website, all the hamster combat content is also without ads. I'm not saying I will never do that. I will do it at some point. But for now, yeah, everything is free. I mean, it will always be free for you. I will not charge anybody for this. And just at some point, I will just show ads. That's the only thing I will do, but not yet. And especially not now that the markets are crashing and everybody's disappointed. And the last thing you want to do is see more ads. My CPM on my website. Uh, I think it depends, because I also have a lot of US audience which reads our main blog, which is more US giveaways. So there the CPM is quite higher. Is around $10 or something. Now, when it comes to like Tap to Earn, which is mostly Asia and Africa, then it's much lower. But as I mentioned, I rarely monetize that. So I can't tell you like a specific number with that. Yeah, I mean, I'm always following this strategy that I'm not crazy for anything that I provide to get as much money as possible, as fast as possible. This is not my character. I prefer to create something with value and improve it and make it very, very good. and only then to start monetizing this. And I will never monetize something aggressively. So that applies to my websites. Now YouTube is very new, so I don't do it at all. But yeah, I will typically be very patient with monetization. Some people, some apps, some services, they want to get every single cent out of their content. But I don't think it's a good approach. Long-term investment is much better. And every day on the website, we receive maybe 5 to 10 offers for advertising. And I'm saying to these people that we don't accept advertising. I mean, we only have AdSense. It's like very reputable, very trustworthy. And if we are to enable some other network, sometimes, they can have some ads which are not really high quality, maybe some scams. So I'm very, very careful with selecting if we will do advertising and when. My God. US stocks 5% down now. Daytime English grammar still not. I mean, trust me, my English was not good either, but it's only a matter of practice. If you practice a lot, you will eventually like reach a level that you can communicate easily. I'm not a native speaker, but at this point, I don't have to think so much when talking in English. In the past, I would really have to sit for a few seconds and think each and every word. So yeah, now Bitcoin looks like it's gonna break again below the 5,000, 50,000, getting close to this big support. Actually, I can share this if I manage to do it, but or maybe start a trading channel. I used to have actually in the past a trading channel, but I got tired and stopped it. Hmm. Okay, so really briefly, what I expect from the market. We have a good support at 49k. We bounced it, we went up, then we came right down. If we put it on the hourly time frame, it's a little bit more obvious what happened. You see this bounce here exactly at this line, went to 3k up, now it's coming back down. This is not good news. It means that it gravitates, most likely it wants to break at some point below this. And if it breaks below this, the next step, next line of support, 38k. This is strong support. If you see scroll back in time, you see this level usually was a strong point for resistance on the upturn and also support on the downturn, like here, here, here on these points. We touched it so many times. So I think like 38k is still very likely, but it's gonna be likely like a bottom pattern. Now if we are gonna enter a very big recession, then we have 31k and then we have 24k. So this is like the from bad to worse, and anything is possible, but this is the levels to look after. Or you don't trade and you are happy and you don't need to care about that stuff. Maybe this is a better strategy right now. Anyway, back to me. Window is off. Alright guys, I need to switch off. I'm doing great. Thanks for asking, guys. And daily cipher, hopefully tonight without problems. Daily puzzle, and maybe some news also. See you soon.